Welding machine. Welding is a metallurgical bone-in-metal alloy joint that is carried out in a melted or liquid state based on the definition of Dawes industry norm or DIN. For the welding process requires a welding machine, therefore it is very important to see the type of welding machine, the function of the welding machine, the advantage and disadvantage of the welding machine so that the result of the welding meets the user needs. In general, welding machines are divided into three types, namely electric welding machine, carpet welding machine, and laser welding machine. Knowing the type of welding machine is very important before welding because different welding machines have different functions. If the user uses a welding machine without knowing the type and what material is being welded, the resulting results are unsatisfactory and may even fail. The thing to consider before welding is knowing the function of the welding machine. Each welding machine has a different function and different main ingredient. The following welding machine function and the material used: electric welding machine. The function of the MIG type electric welding machine is used on the metal or iron plates ranging from 1 mm to very thick thickness. Carpet welding machine. This welding machine has a carpet welding function used in the carpet welding process and can also accelerate the refining of the fluid. And laser welding machine. In general, the function of a laser welding machine is used to weld heat-sensitive equipment components, like a pacemaker box in which there are electronic components. All welding machines have the respective advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, the welder must see what material are being welded. Following are the advantages and disadvantages of welding machine. Advantage of electric welding machine: less expensive equipment and maintenance, can affect the output with mesh wires and electrode cable, can reduce the incidence of wet loss because there is small arch the ignites. Shortcomings: can only be used on certain type of electrodes, unable to weld all metals. The resulting sound is louder. The arch film is not very stable. Furthermore, the excess carpet welding machine is expensive. The equipment used is too expensive. It is enough to at welding wire maintenance of this carpet welding machine is relatively easier and cheaper. The disadvantage of the machine is that the large gas cylinder size is difficult to carry and move for initial capital. The price of gas cylinder is quite expensive. Lastly, the advantages of the laser welding machine are how it works fast, efficient, deep, has little distortion, and has little effect on the outside of the welding area. The resulting welding quality is free from pollution and is energy efficient. The disadvantage of the welding machine is that the price is relatively expensive compared to electric welding, and carpet penetration is not as strong as electric.
To conclude, all types of welding machines have advantages and disadvantages which are all tailored to the needs of the user. Knowing the material to be welded is very important, because we can't know which welding machine we will use. Thank you very much.